Hi, we're Labyrinth Technologies, and we are here to review the Samsung HMX, is that it? HMX W300, shockproof and waterproof camcorder. Show it to itself. This is what it looks like, and it's super, oh, that doesn't really work. It's super fancy, and it's nice, and, yes. There'll be a link for it in the description. And today specifically we're testing this case which we've designed, and we'll be selling a DIY kit for it, as well as iPhones, all of the generations of iPhones, excluding the extremely absurdly large one. So that's our case. It's made of pipe, foam insulation, masking tape. The kit will look better than this because it'll be real. And so that's what this is. So this is air drone on. We'll be dropping it from this AR drone as high as we can get it within reason, and we're guesstimating it'll be pretty high up, but we'll get the flight video of it. So here we go. It's in the case, and then seal it with masking tape. Spot on here with something of a view. Do a little bit of tape just to keep it on there while we're taking it up. That'll fall once we start doing flips. So, AR drone is what we're taking it up on by my compatriot's iPhone. There you go.
Taking off.
Is the drone still working?
I mean,
Died. So that was about what was that?
probably like 10 meters, 30 feet.
30 feet up. And you're still working, I think. You're still working.
Perfectly fine.
Absolutely operational. So that's Corey down there, and we're still doing the camera, and it's in the case. And I am really high up in a tree. So there's him down here. There are my parents on the deck. There's the rest of our neighborhood. And here I am at the top of the tree. So, that's awesome right there. And then, so we're gonna drop it, right? So I'm just gonna throw it straight out that way. And we're gonna see what happens, right? Oakley dokie.
As you can see from this video, Jacob is still up in the tree, and the camera's perfectly fine. Still using the case. Say hi, Jacob. Hey.
Hello, we're back again. I mean, it hasn't been any time for you because I'm editing this all together. But we're here at the lake to
chuck the camera in
because it is waterproof and it's in the shock case. So give me some, we got it on a cable so we can tow it back in. And
here's some slack.
There's some slack this side. And ready? So yes, that was water, and I think we should do it again probably.
Yeah, sure.
That was pretty suck, because it only went like 10 feet. So we're going to do that again with a lot more extra, hold on to that probably. We just ran out of cable, so that's all the slack we have. And ready, and here we go. that was another throw, and there was a good 30 feet easily, 40 maybe even. It's all of the string we had left.
Yep.
And
Tangled in green mush.
just now a bunch of mush. And so we went all the way out there where that Ripley doohickey is that you can't really see, but that's how that happened, and it's still functional. And I guess that's it maybe. So we'll have a link in the description to a place where you can buy these, and for both the camera and the case, and instructions if you want to just get the supplies yourself.
Also, with Labyrinth technology, we are making a flying toaster.
And we would love your support, because we've got tons of rewards for the guys who back us, and it's going to be awesome and flying toast.
Check out our Kickstarter in the description.
Yes.
Down there.
Yep. Bye.